Finding a minimum value. The suspension cables between the two towers of a bridge in Michigan form a parabola that can be modeled by this equation, where x and y are measured in feet. What is the height of the cable above the water at the lowest point? Right here, I want to find that. So if I can get the vertex, I will know what the answer is. All right, to get the vertex, I got to get the x, and then I got to plug it back in to get the y. And I've already marked up the A, B, and C from the formula that they gave us. So let's put in negative from the formula. B is also a negative 0.37, and we have to divide that by 2 times A. And the A has 4 zeros behind the decimal, so 0.123498. And then we're going to use a calculator to do this. So we'll take, and I know minus a negative is going to become a positive, so I'll take 0.37 and divide it by, and I need parentheses. If I'm using this kind of calculator, Desmos may not need them, but I need parentheses on this. I'm going to multiply 2 times 0.000098 in my parenthesis, and then I got 1,887.7. So let's just round that off to 1,888. We'll use that. All right, then I'm going to plug my 1,888 here and do the algebra. And once again, I will use the calculator to do so since the numbers are so big. 1,888 squared, which I could have hit that little button right there. I get this, and I want to multiply that by times 0.000098. Okay, so that is approximately 349.33 if I rounded that off. And then I will take 0.37 times 1,888, 0.37 times 1,888, and I get 698.56. That will be a negative 698.56, and then plus 552. All right, let's just go from left to right to get this. 349.33 minus 698.56 is negative 349.23 added to 552. So then I just hit plus 552, and I get approximately 202.77. And if I'm rounding that off just to the nearest whole number, that would round off to be about 203 feet. About 203 feet above the water.